I'm going to start you out by doing a few charades. And charades is an acting game where I'll make a face and you try to guess how I'm feeling. And then it'll be your turn. And the 4 faces, the 4 emotions and moods we're going to do today are happy, angry, sad, and shy. Those are the 4 that we're doing today. So, my first one is, what do you think? Yeah, angry. You can tell I'm crossing my arms. I'm making an angry face. Even my eyebrows are going down, right? Can you do that too? Good job. All right, I'm gonna make another face. What do you think it is? Is it happy? Is it sad? Yeah, it's happy. Can you make a happy face too? Good job. All right, I'm gonna do another face. Shy. Wow, I heard you say that. Shy, you're right. Do you notice how my body changes? I don't really open my mouth. I just am kind of thinking, a little nervous. Shy is like nervous. Yeah. So as actors, we want to think about using our face and our body to show emotion. And the last one. What do you think? Sad, you're right. All right, we're going to play a game, and it's called Quadrant Emotion. And a quadrant is 4 different parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're right here on my board, and they're also on the floor. And you can easily make this at home. So the first quadrant where I'm sitting now is happy. The next quadrant is angry. This quadrant over here, shy. And the last quadrant up here, sad. And it's actually not that easy to do, to change emotions. But we're going to try it out. So what's going to happen is I'm going to move around the quadrants while the music plays. And when the music stops, I'm going to make the emotion that's in the quadrant. Okay? So I hope you'll do this with me. And we're going to start. So here's the music. So I'm just going to move around. And then when the music stops, I'm going to make that emotion. Here we go. Yeah, I'm in the angry quadrant, so I was making an angry face. And I'm trying to think of other ways, instead of just going like this, that I can be angry. As actors, we want to think about something that makes us angry. So rather than just say, I'm angry, you know what I think about? I think about something specific that makes me angry. It makes me angry when people are not kind to each other. So I think about those things. All right, let's play again. Quadrant. And going a little deeper, when I feel sad, sometimes my shoulders hunch over. I feel like my face kind of droops. Maybe thinking about things that we do when we're sad, right? I feel sad when I miss somebody. Makes me feel really sad. All right, let's do one last one. Happy. I'm in the happy quadrant. Makes me happy. When I think of you, all my friends out there, my shoulders are back, my head's up tall, and I'm smiling. Great job, everybody.